Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell cryptocurrency on cex.io. Cex.io is a popular and beginner-friendly cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, trade and store digital assets easily. It supports multiple payment methods and has a simple interface and offers both instant transaction and advanced trading options. So first you need to open any of the web browser you prefer, and after that in the top there's an address bar. Type down cex.io and enter it. Make sure to log into your account if you already have not so. And you can also complete two-factor authentication if enabled, and make sure your account is verified to your withdraw funds as well. So after that, what you can do is you can go to the cex.io wallet here. You can verify to it over here. And over here it says the verification is needed. To use the services, you need to verify your account. And after that, over here you can select any of the cryptocurrency that you want to sell, and you can enter the amount and you can choose where to receive the money as well. And after that, you can review and confirm and wait for the completion, and funds will appear in your account balance. And that is it. Selling cryptocurrency on cex.io is simple and beginner friendly. Just choose your coin, enter the amount and confirm the sale, and your funds will be ready or used to withdraw. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.